Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do the sneakiest animals. Do you remember why they're called the sneakiest? Because they're so quiet when they're hiding and they have great camouflage. Let's get started. Let me quickly put the paper down. Okay. The first one, Tokay gecko. This gecko catches its prey by doing what? It quietly sneaks up. Then it pounces and it catches it in its mouth. So it uses its tongue to also capture their prey. And after a meal, a gecko licking its eyes is actually cleaning its scales. So cleaning your scales by licking your eyes? That's impressive. The next one, barn owl. In what way does it sneak up to its prey? It flies up silently, so it flies without making any noise. And a barn owl can scare away intruders by hissing loudly, like this, like a snake. The next one, Asian quail. The male has feathers that are completely black, and the female has white spots on its feathers. Why is this bird so sneaky? It goes into other birds' nests to lay its eggs. Wow, now that's very sneaky. And the male makes a repeated call, quail. This bird is named after this familiar sound. So that is how it got its last name. The next one, African leopard. You can spot the difference between the cheetah and leopard spot because most people get confused. The leopard has circle spots with little circles inside or just completely circle spots. The cheetah has completely black spots. And you can also see the line on the cheetah's face and no line on the leopard's face. Where do they hide their prey? The leopard is so strong and comfortable in trees that it often holds it into the branches. So you're hiding your prey from other predators that will eat your prey. That's very smart. And leopards are strong swimmers and very much at home in the water, where they sometimes eat fish or crabs. I like fish because it's very healthy. The next one, the snow leopard, another leopard that is sneaky. Why does this large cat seem to appear out of nowhere? Snow leopards can leap up to 15 meters and they have great camouflage. 15 meters, that's high. They can jump over you. And the snow leopard's tail is used for balance, like you balance on a log. It is thick and 1 meter long, like a cricket bat that is 1 meter long. The next one, magnificent frigate bird. There is also a ship that is called Frigate, one of our 3D puzzle videos, go check that out. How does it capture chicks from other birds? It grabs them from the nest by swooping in without a sound. No sound? They will like sneak behind you and give you such a fright. Like some people sneak up behind you without any noise and give you a fright. And frigate birds steal fish by catching other birds mid-flight. So you catch fish from other birds that are like still flying. That's crazy and a very sneaky bird. Don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Okay, let's carry on. The next one, cuckoo bee. It is mixed with a wasp and a bee. So that's why it looks like a wasp and it is a bee. What locations do females use to lay their eggs? The nest of other species of bees. Like this bee will go lay eggs in the killer bee's nest without them even knowing. And this bee is often seen flying around in search of a host nest. It does not build its own. Is that a lazy bee? Next one, Alligator snapping turtle. They will snap, that's why they're called snapping turtle. Where does the name snapping turtle come from? It uses its worm-shaped tongue tip to attract fish and snap them up like this. So here's my tongue, and the fish think it's bait and food for them, and then snap, snap, snap. Did you know the alligator snapping turtle is the heaviest freshwater turtle on the planet? So it's so heavy that only the strongest people can pick it up. And it's freshwater turtle. That's water you can drink. The next one, Malaysian horned frog. It has horns, if you look at the picture. What does this frog do to hide? It camouflages itself in leaf litter on the forest floor since it has a leaf-like appearance. If you look closely to the picture, it does look more like a leaf than a frog. And did you know, these frogs explosively jump out of hiding to attack their prey. So here is a fly, and here's the frog, and wow, on the prey. The next one, Gaboon viper. That's a little funny name. When hunting, what does the Gaboon viper do? They lay and wait until a meal walks past, then they ambush it. So here's a rabbit, here's the viper, and then the rabbit slowly walks, and then trap. So the trap is laid by the floor, so animals better watch out. And did you know the fangs of this viper are longer than 5 centimeters? That's long, 5 centimeters is longer. That would be painful if they bite you. The next one, Tawny frogmouth. Does it have a frog mouth? How do tawny frogmouths hide from their enemies? They are able to stand very still and look like part of the tree branch. So you can't even see it unless you look very carefully, because they will stand like this, still, and they will look like a branch of a tree or a part of the tree branch. And did you know the soft call signals that a tawny frogmouth is nearby, so you should listen very quietly if you want to find one. The next one, green heron. Why do we call it a green heron? Because it's green, that's why. What do some green herons use to catch fish? They trick fish to come close enough to catch by using small objects as bait. So here's a stick, and here's a bird, and the fish is underneath. So there, the fish go check it out or think it's food, and then the bird will pick it up and eat it. Upside down, silly me. And did you know, whilst hanging upside down from a branch, they can fish, just like a fishing pole. So it's hanging upside down and caught fish. That was all of the cards. Those were all the sneakiest animals that I have. Which 3 sneaky animals can you think of, and which is your favorite sneaky animal? Tell us below. Mine is the snow leopard because it has a wide chest and it looks so fluffy. But they are extremely dangerous because they are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. Give us a like and share our videos with your friends. Click the subscribe button and click the bell, ding, for more notifications when our next videos are coming up. Thanks for your love and support. We love you guys back. We'll be back soon with more fun videos. Bye guys!